Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upscale your video resolution on CapCut browser. So go to Magic Tools and select Video Upscaler. Then you're going to basically upload a video, or you can try the following videos that they have as like an example. I'm just going to select this one. I'm then going to upscale the resolution here and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. I don't know how long it will take. Maybe it will take longer depending on how long my video is. But I'm just letting it generate for a bit here. So maybe I'm just going to pause this screen recording and I'll be right back when it's finished. And this is the resolution after they've upscaled it. If you saw that before, this made it actually more HD, so that's great. And once you're done, you're just going to export it like so, and you can just download it to your files like here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.